Let's see a problem on integration equation of first order of gaseous phase. The following data were obtained during the first order thermal decomposition of SO2Cl2 at constant volume. He given this reaction, that is SO2Cl2 gives SO2 and Cl2, and this is the data table. Calculate the rate of reaction when total pressure is 0.65 atmosphere. See what we have to calculate in this problem. We have to calculate rate of reaction when total pressure is 0.65 atmosphere. So what are all he given? He given this reaction and he told that this reaction is first order reaction, and given the data for this reaction in the form of table. See the table. This is time column and this is total pressure column. See, at the time t equal to 0, that is at the beginning of the reaction, total pressure is 0.5 atmosphere, and at a time t equal to 100 second, see he given time in second, this has to become second, he given per second, this is wrong. So at a time t equal to 100 second, total pressure is 0.6 atmosphere. See how to calculate rate of reaction. Solution. You know that rate equal to K into concentration of the reactant. Since this is gaseous reaction, concentration will be in terms of pressure. So rate equal to K into partial pressure of reactants SO2Cl2. See in this equation, to calculate rate of reaction, you don't know value of K, that is rate constant. You also don't know partial pressure of SO2Cl2, that is partial pressure of reactant. He given total pressure of 0.65. We have to calculate rate of the reaction when total pressure is 0.65 atmosphere. He given total pressure, but he didn't given partial pressure of reactant SO2Cl2. So you have to find partial pressure of this reactant and also rate constant of the reaction. Let's see now how to find rate constant. You know that for first order reaction, rate constant K equal to 2.303 by T into log of R0 by R. Since in this reaction concentration is in terms of pressure, so K equal to 2.303 by T into log of Pi by Pa, that is initial pressure divided by pressure of the reactant after some time T. See in this equation, to calculate value of K, you know time, that is 100 second, and see this total pressure at the beginning of the reaction is itself initial pressure of the reactant SO2Cl2. See one more thing you have to know is in this is partial pressure of SO2Cl2, that is initial partial pressure of SO2Cl2. This and this Pa is partial pressure of SO2Cl2 after some time T. See what he given is he given initial pressure as 0.5, total pressure as 0.5, but at the beginning of the reaction, that is at the initial of the reaction, this total pressure is itself partial pressure of SO2Cl2, because at the beginning of the reaction there will be only SO2Cl2, no product will be there. So you know this Pi, that is 0.5, and now you have to find partial pressure of SO2Cl2. He given value of total pressure 0.6 after 100 seconds. This 0.6 is pressure of total pressure, that is total pressure means pressure of this SO2, sum of pressure of SO2Cl2 and SO2 and Cl2. See this is 0.6 is sum of pressure of all these gases, but we required in this equation is pressure with respect to SO2 Cl2 only. Let's see how to find that one. For that, see the equation SO2 Cl2, use SO2 and Cl2. See, at the beginning of the reaction, that is at time t equal to 0, he given total pressure as 0.5. You know that this total pressure 0.5 is itself partial pressure of SO2 Cl2, because at the beginning of the reaction there will be only SO2 Cl2, there will be no SO2 and Cl2. So pressure with respect to SO2 is also 0 atmosphere, and pressure, that is pressure with respect to Cl2, that is partial pressure of Cl2, is also 0 atmosphere. See, as the reaction goes, pressure of SO2 Cl2 will decreases, and that of SO2 increases, SO2 and Cl2 increases. Let's say now X amount of pressure of SO2 Cl2 is decreased. Then at the time t equal to 100 second, 0.5 minus X will be the partial pressure of SO2 Cl2, and X will be the partial pressure of SO2, and also X will be the partial pressure of Cl2. Why X? There is only one molecule, only one molecules. See, in this rate, what we are trying to do now, we are trying to calculate value of K. In this, this is initial pressure of SO2 Cl2 is 0.5 atmosphere, and pressure after some time T, that is PA, is here 0.5 minus X. So, but you don't know value of X. So in order to find the value of X, let's see what I will do now. See, this is partial pressure of SO2 Cl2. This is also partial pressure of SO2. This is also partial pressure of Cl2. But what he given here? Here he given total pressure at t equal to 100 second. He given total pressure. So when you sum all these things, it will be total pressure at t equal to 100 second. So at t equal to 100 second, total pressure will be 0.5 minus X plus X plus X. So this is equal to 0.6. 0.6 equal to 1 will get cancelled. So 0.6 equal to 0.5 plus X. So X equal to 0.6 minus 0.5, that equal to 0.1. So you got value of X, and calculate the partial pressure of SO2 Cl2 at t equal to 100 second by using this one. That is P of SO2 Cl2 equal to 0.5 minus X equal to X value is 0.1. So 0.5 minus 0.1 equal to 0.4. Now you got Pi and Pa. So K equal to 2.303 by T into log of Pi by Pa. So substitute the value. K equal to 2.303 by T is 100 second into log of Pi is 0.5 atmosphere divided by Pa is 0.4 atmosphere. When you simplify this one, you will get value of K as 2.23 into 10 to the power minus 3 for second. See, in what we are trying to find out? We are trying to find out rate of the reaction. In that we have now we have calculated the value of K. Still we have to calculate partial pressure of SO2 Cl2 when total pressure is 0.65 atmosphere, that he mentioned in the problem you have seen previously. See, at total pressure 0.65 atmosphere, you have to calculate partial pressure of SO2 Cl2, that is a reactant, that is partial pressure. What is the yes, you have to calculate partial pressure of reactant SO2 Cl2 at total pressure 0.65 atmosphere. To find that one also, use this one only. At some time sometime T equal 1 second or something. So this is total pressure. Total pressure PT equal to 0.5 minus x plus x plus x. See 0.5 minus x plus x plus x. Here what he given is total pressure in this 0.65. So 0.65 equal to 1x will get cancelled, 0.5 plus x. So x equal to 0.65 minus 0.5. So x equal to 0.15. So partial pressure of this SO2 Cl2 when total pressure is 0.65, how you calculate? Use this one only, 0.5 minus x. So 0.5 minus x is 0.15, so that is 0.35 atmosphere. So you calculated partial pressure of SO2 Cl2 and you know you have calculated rate constant. Then now you can calculate rate of the reaction. So rate of the reaction equal to rate constant, that is 2.23 into 10 to the power minus 3 into partial pressure is 0.35. So this will give you 7.8 into 10 to the power minus 4 atom per second. This is the rate of the reaction. That's it, the problem. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video and spread worldwide to help others.